Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Annalisa Palma. I'm 44 years old. I live in Poblacion Tacas, Cordero Capiz, Philippines. I have two kids, ages 22 and 16 years old. We're two siblings in our family, and I'm the firstborn. My first employer was in Dubai. I served 6 family members in their family, 2 adults and 4 kids, ages 8, 10, 14, and 16. And my responsibility are cleaning the house, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, and make food for the whole family. I start my contract at April 2018 and finish at August 2020. My second employer was there in Hong Kong. I served 4 family members in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 6 and 3 years old. My main responsibility are taking care of the kids. I make breakfast and lunch for the kids and dinner for the whole family. And after they eat the dinner, I cut fruits for them. I clean the house, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, and I also accompany the kids when they need to go to the other activities. And at night, I put the kids in bed. I start my contract October 2021 and I finish my contract October 2023. Please, mom and sir, please choose me as to be your helper because I'm honest, responsible, and fast learner and hardworking. And I promise if you choose me to be your helper, I will take care of your kids as my kids and I will be responsible employee. I hope you will give me a chance to serve you and help you at your home. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.